Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with very long hair. I would say her hair is probably tailbone length, definitely past her waist. The stylist cuts off the hair. And it looks like he is doing a bob for this hair change. Ooh. That is a lot of hair. Wow, her hair looks absolutely gorgeous. She does have a nice tousled bob. I love the shape. Absolutely gorgeous. Look how much volume she has too. Just stunning. All right, so here we have someone, it looks like she's going to get a shaggy pixie. Now that is a very popular hair trend that we've been seeing pretty much for the past 2 years now. Oh, cute. And then here we have another long to short hair change. Followed by another major big chop transformation. Wow. Stylist is going super short for this one. So here we have someone with a bob. And bam, she gets this gorgeous pixie with the bangs in the front. Wow, she looks so breathtaking with the pixie style. I love it. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist chops off all that hair. Now she started off having layers in the hair, and since the hair was cut into a bob, the stylist did leave those layers, beautiful curtain bangs going there in the front, and did a nice little layered bob makeover. So here we have someone with the pixie. The stylist goes shorter with a cut refresh. Ooh, I really like the way he did the sideburns there. A lot of structure. She also got some color done. Oh, wow. girl. She looks absolutely phenomenal. Look at this pixie cut. This is so cute. And look at those sideburns. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. So here we have someone, it looks like she wants to go blonde with a pixie. Okay, so she didn't go blonde, but she did end up getting the pixie. I guess that was the main inspiration. We have another cut refresh here. Ooh, very nice mushroom shaped pixie. This is definitely a throwback to the 90s style, and it is trending once again. And what's nice about this cut too is that she can place those bangs in a variety of hairstyles. She can wear the hair spiked up, down. A lot of versatility within that mushroom cut here. So here we have someone, it looks like her hair is just above the shoulders and just above the shoulders. And she's kind of getting like a messy chic style here. So it looks like she kind of got a nice little texture bob. This is a great hairstyle option if you do have hair on the thinner side and you're looking for some ways to kind of thicken it up. It's kind of a toss between like a tousled bob and like a shaggy bob cut. Just a lot of texture. This would also be a great cut if you do have curly hair. We see a lot of curly girls rocking out the shaggy cuts these days.